Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Angel Lives. So how is everybody doing today? I hope that everybody is having a good Saturday. So you guys, what I have here is I have oxtails. Yes, I love oxtails. So I have about 2 pounds. There's quite a few small ones, you know, and then there's a big one, but the rest are kind of small. It's just okay. We're still going to eat them. So the way that I'm going to do my oxtails, and in this bowl here, I have onions and celery. And the reason I'm using the celery is because I'm trying to hurry up and use the celery before it all goes bad. And then I have my 3-pepper blend. These are organic peppers that I get from Whole Foods fresh. And I'm using these because I didn't have any fresh peppers. So I'm actually going to have to use the frozen ones, which that's okay. I don't mind using those. But these oxtails have been soaked for about an hour in salt and lemon juice. And then I rinsed them. So that's why they may look a little white, because I wanted to make sure they were nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and head over to the stove, and I'll be right back. And so now I'm over at the stove, and what I'm doing now is I'm getting ready to saute the vegetables that I'm going to add in. And so I'm putting a little olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to let this heat up a little bit. Kind of swirl it around a little bit so it coats the bottom. And I'm using a anodized Dutch oven pot. I like to use a big pot just so that I can make sure that I cover, that they spread out and nothing crowds up and everything cooks well. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this olive oil up. And I'm throwing in the onions and the celery together. And what I'm seasoning with is I actually made my own little jerk season. I hope you can see that. And I have some garlic powder, black pepper, a little additional allspice, even though there's some in my jerk seasoning that I made. And then I have the kitchen bouquet that I'm going to be using to give it a little color and to brown it down, as the island people say. I don't want to say which island people, because I don't want y'all clowning me, so and coming from my head, so I'm going to just say the people from the islands. And this is just the way I like to do my oxtails. And when I cook, I kind of use a lot of different cooking techniques that I've seen or that I've learned. So I don't have a specific way to do anything, and I don't feel that my way is better than anyone else's way. I just, you know, this is just how I do it. And I'm going to go ahead in with some of the frozen peppers that I have. I'm not going to use a lot. And I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to let these cook just a little bit, and then I'm going to throw in the oxtails. So we'll just give these a little bit of time to cook, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually added a tablespoon of minced garlic. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my oxtails in now. Generally, I would like to have these sliced in half because I think they cook better, but these aren't sliced, but that's okay. I'm still going to cook them, and I'm still going to eat them. So I'm going to go ahead and Put a little salt, and I don't measure, y'all. I'm not much of a measuring cook, so I'm going in with a little salt. A little black pepper. A little garlic powder. I like a lot of garlic in my food. I know some people don't, but I do like my garlic. And a little bit of my allspice, just a little bit. And it's time for me to make more of this, so I'm going to go ahead and just use the majority of this while I'm frying these. Not frying them, but just browning them a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. It smells good, y'all. I love the smells from the jerk seasoning. It smells so good. And I found the recipe for the jerk seasoning online. Don't ask me the name of the blog because I don't remember it. But once I remember it after I'm done, I'll make sure that I put it in the description of the video of which site to get it from. For those of us who aren't from the islands and don't really know about jerk seasoning. Because you know, people don't like to share their recipes and stuff. They don't like to share how they know stuff, which is crazy to me, but it's okay. Don't share with me, because I'll always figure out a way to do stuff on my own. So I'm going to go ahead and let this cook for a little bit, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added water, and as you can see, these are boiling. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this, and I'm gonna let this boil for about probably 3 hours till some of the fat is boiled out, most of the liquid is boiled out, and then I'll go ahead and turn up the heat and cook it down a little more. And I will definitely be doing a mukbang on this dish, and I will be back to show you the finished product. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished product. You can see that steam coming off of there. My sauce didn't thicken like I wanted it to. I had a bit of a mishap. The other pot, I'm not sure how it got turned up high because I didn't do it. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. They scorched a little bit, but I'm still gonna eat it. So this is how I do my oxtails, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, drop me a comment, let me know what you think of my oxtails, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.